I upload videos every week, so please don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, I am your host for today, here at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida, and what they call the hottest show on ice. Now this video will just be a highlight to some of the main parts of the show. The show itself is about 25 minutes. One thing I cannot highlight in this video, but you'll definitely experience at the show, is the great music. They have a lot of licensed music and it all goes really well with the skating. This little guy right here was amazing at his skating. And this is one of the funniest parts of the show. I didn't know what was going on at first. Now time for my list of pros. And here's a short list of cons. For my rating, I say if you're there, go for it. Thanks for watching the video. Again, I upload videos every week, so please don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you next time. Yes.